Hello, lovelies. I just want to show you really quick how to do a really good PWO or post-workout. This is one of my favorite cake mixes. It's just really good. So anyway, I just want to show you kind of how to do the math and how to work this out, and I better get my calculator. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to look at your little measurements there. So this is in 48 grams is 180 calories. I can have 250 calories for my post-workout, and I know several of you get that also because I designed your plan, so I know that. That's one of my favorite parts is having that. So 250 calories is a lot. I love it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 250 and subtract it by the 180 because it's 180 calories per serving. That leaves me with 70 calories left over. So now we're going to take 70 divided by 180, which equals 0.38888. Basically, that means 39%, meaning I can have one full serving plus an additional 39%. So we're going to take that 0.38888, multiply it by our grams, which is 48 grams in a serving. So I'll take that times 48, which gives me 18.66666 additional, right? So I can have those 18.6 grams on top of a full serving. So we take the 18.6 plus 48, meaning I can have, well, 66.6666 grams. So I'm just gonna round, and I'm just gonna say 66 grams of cake mix. I should have been prepared for this and had all my stuff here for you guys. Sorry. Excuse my absence. Okay, so I put my thing on my scale, zero it out, turn it on, measure out 66 grams of cake mix. What I like to do is mix this with something carbonated, because if you mix it with almond milk or water, it just doesn't fluff up very nice. And I love to have my cake without frosting. If you like frosting, you can make frosting out of your Trutine. Or you can also add your Trutine in here. Just eat it all in one shot. But what I do is now, like, I'll bake my cake. Bake it, not really, I'll microwave it. And then I'll make ice cream out of my Trutine. So I've got all my cake mix there. Most any carbonated beverage works. Right now I have some bubbly on hand. Yesterday I made this, I had just the apple bubbly. You don't really taste this flavor too much in the mix. You can use a LaCroix sparkling water, unflavored something. You could do like a diet 7-Up or diet Sprite, those are good. You could also do like a diet root beer and make a root beer cake. So I'm just gonna add fluid now to this cake mix to make it what like a normal cake batter consistency would be. And you wanna add your fluid slowly because if it's carbonated, it fizzes up a little bit. So just kinda play with it a little bit till you get a good consistency. And you don't need to add anything else to this. That's it. Just fluid. That's it. And now my microwave is a little bit weak, but I'm going to be able to, I'll take another dish and just spray it really lightly with nonstick spray. I'll dump this into it, and I might or might not lick the bowl. My husband caught me doing that yesterday. I'm sure he loves it. So there it is, just kind of cake battery consistency. My microwave's weak, so I'm putting it in for 2 minutes, but some of you might want like 1:45. Just start there and test it and see if the middle of the cake is done. If it is, perfect. If not, just throw it in for a few more seconds and you have got a really good cake. And now this will come out of the microwave. What I'm gonna do is let it cool while I make my ice cream. So that's that. Enjoy your post-workout.